Class ninth Mathematics, History of Mathematics. Today our topic is Vedic methods to multiply. It is your second part of the history of mathematics. Now come to this point. And that is the Vedic methods to multiply. And first method is Urdhva Tiryak Vidhi. That is the formula of Urdhva Tirgabhyam. This sentence is Urdhva Tirgabhyam. That means the sutra is Urdhva, that is the vertically upward, and the Tiryak, that is the diagonally. So, what is the meaning of this one? You can see here 1, 2, or multiply by 2, 1. So, first one is vertically upward, that one is unit place. So, vertically upward, that means first step, that is the 2 into 1, that type you can multiply. It is 2, so you can write here 2. And the second one is diagonal, that is the 1, 2, and 2 and 1. So diagonal means like this and like this. So 1 1 ja 1 and 2 2 ja 4. So it becomes 5. So you can write here 5. And last one is 1 and 2. So you can multiply upward. So it is 2 1 ja 2. So here is 2. So that is your answer is 252. So it is the simple method to do this. If these are the 3, so 1, 2, 3, so here is 3, 2 and 1. So in this, first of all this one, second diagonally. Let us see in your example. Now come to this one, example 7. So what happened in this? It is 41. So first step that is the 1 and 8. So multiply upward. So what will be happen? 8 1 ja 8. So you can write here 8. Okay, now second one is 4 and 1, and here is 3 and 8. So multiply diagonally. So 8 4 ja 32 and 3 1 ja 3. So it becomes 35. So 35, 5 is here and carry is 3. 3 is carried out. Now the right hand side, it is the 4 and 3 into. So 4 3 ja 12. So here you can write the 12. And this one is adding here. So 8, 5 and it is 5 and it is 1. So that is your answer. So you can see very easy this method. Now come to the example 8. What happened in this? First of all, step first. These are the step first, second, and this one is third step. And in the also the this first question, this is the first step and second step, and it is the third step. So you can do this. Now come to this question. First step, that is the 6 and 2 multiply upward. So it is 12. So you can write 2 here and 1 is carried out. Now second is 5 6 and 8 2. So it is multiplied diagonally. 5 2 ja 10 and plus 8 6 ja 48. So it becomes 58. 58 means 8 is here and 5 is carried out. Now third one is 5 and 8. So it is multiplied to this vertically upward. It is your second step and it is your third step. So what will be happen? 8 5 ja 40. So you can write here 40. Now you can add here. So 2 and here is 9 and 5 and it is 4. So that is your answer. Now come to the example 9. It is 3 terms, hundreds. So first step is, it is 1 and 5. multiply vertically upward, so it becomes 5. So you can write here 5. And now 3 1 and 2 5. So diagonally like this, it is your second step. What will be happen? So 5 3 ja 15 and 2 1 ja 2. 15 and 2, that is the 17. So you can write 7 here and 1 carried out. Now come to this third one, third step. What will be in third step? So 2 3 1, and here is 4 2 5. So first you multiply it like this. So 4 1 ja 4 and 5 2 ja 10, and this one 3 2 ja 6. So it will be 20. So 20 means 0 here and 2 carried out like this. And now the last, that is 2 3, and here is 4 2. So multiply diagonally like this. So it is 2 2 ja 4 plus 4 3 ja 12, and 12 and 4, that is the 16. So you can write 6 and 1 carry out here. Now the last one, that is the 2 and 4. So that is the third and that is the fourth step, and it is your fifth step. So 4 2 ja 8. So you can write here 8 and add them. What will be happen? It is 5 7 and 1 8, and here is 0 6 2 8 and 9 8 and 1, that is the 9. So your answer is 98085. So that is your answer. Now come to the next one. So exercise 1.3 will start here. So you can write here. So 23. So first of all, first step, it is 3 2. So vertically upward. So 3 2 ja 6. So you can write here 6. And the diagonally, so 2 3 and 3 2. So first of multiply to this, it is 4, and 3 3 ja 9. So you can write here what will be, it is 13. So you can write here 3 and 1 carried out. Now come to the, it is your second step. And what about to third step? Third step is 2 and 3 multiply vertically upward. So 3 2 ja 6. So you can write here 6. So our answer is 6 and 3 and 7, like this. You can draw a line also. So that is your answer. It is your 1.3 first question. Now come to the second question. It is your second question, 44 into 52. So you can write first step. First step is 4 into 2. Multiply vertically upward. It is 8. So you can write here 8. Now second step, it is 4 4 and 5 2. So multiply diagonally. So what will be happen? 4 2 ja 8 and 5 4 ja 20. So it will be equal to 28. So 8 is here and 2 is carried out. Like this. Yes, now third step. So it is 4 and here is 5. So multiply to this, 4 5 ja 20. So you can write here 20. Now add them. So it is 8. It is also 8, it is 2, and it is 2. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question. Third question is, here is 9 and 3. That is the first step. So multiply vertically upward. So 9 3 ja 27. So you can write here 7 and carry it out, that is the 2. And the second step, so it is 9 2 3 7. So multiply this one, it is 63, and 3 2 ja 6 plus 6. So it becomes 6 and 9. So here is 9 and 6 is carried out. Now step third is, so here is 9 and 3. So right hand side is, so 9 3 ja 27. So you can write 7 here and 227 completely. So now you can draw this line and add them. That is the 7, 9 and 2, that is the 11 and 1 carried here. Or here in 6 and 7 13 and 1 14, and that is the 2 and 1 3. So that is your answer. So that is your homework, you can do at home. It is your homework. Now come to the fifth question. Fifth question, so first step, so it is 1 3. So multiply vertically upward. So what will be happen? It is 3. So it becomes 3. Now 2 3 and 2 1. So first of all this diagonally, 2 1 ja 2, and then this one 2 3 ja 6. So it becomes 8. So you can write here 8. Now third step, 1 2 3 and 3 2 1. So multiply like this. First of all you can multiply this one, and second one is 3 3 ja 9, and third one is 2 2 ja 4. So add them, it is 14. 14, that means 4 can carry out 1 here. Now that is 1 2 and 3 2. So 2 1 ja 2, so you can write 2 here, plus 3 2 ja 6, so you can write 6 here. So it becomes 8, so you can write here 8. And the last step, this first step, it is your second step, it is your third step, and it is your fourth step. Now come to the fifth step, that is the 1 and 3. So it is multiply vertically upward, that is the 3 1 ja 3. So you can write here 3. Add them, so it is 3 8 4 8 and 1 9, and it is 3. So that is your answer. Now let us see the next question. What will be happen in your next question? First step, it is 4 into 2. So what will happen? It is 8. So you can write here 8. Now second step, it is the 1 4 and 3 2. 2 1 ja 2, and here 3 4 ja 12. So it becomes 14. So you can write 4 here and 1 is carried out. Now step third is 4 1 4, and here is 2 3 2. So first of all multiply to this, 4 2 ja 8, and second was 2 4 ja 8, and third one is 3 1 ja 3. So what will be happen? It is 19. So 19, that is the 9 here and 1 carried out. Now step 4, what will be step 4? That is the 4 1 and 2 3. So multiply this one, 3 4 ja 12, and plus 2 1 ja 2. So it becomes 14. So you can write 4 here and 1 is here. And last step, that is the fifth step. In this step, 4 and 2. 4 2 ja 8. It is 14, so 1 carries here. this one is not available, and that is the one carry is here. This one carry, this one, and the 8 here upward, so you can add them like this. So what will be happen? It is 8 and it is 4, 9, 1, 0, 10, and that is the carry 1 here, and 5 and 1 6, and 8 and 1 9. So that is your answer. Now come to the seventh question. What happened in this? So step first, that is the 4 and 8. Vertically upward multiply. 8 4 ja 32. 32 means 2 here, 3 is carried out. Now step second, it is 0 4 and 1 8. So 4 1 ja 4 and 8 0 ja 0. So that is the 4. So you can write here 4. Now step third. What will be step third? 5 0 4 and 6 1 8. Now multiply to this. 8 5 ja 40. And now this 6 4 ja 24. And now this 1 0 ja 0. What will be happen? 4 and 4 and 4 or 2 6 64. So you can write 4 here and 6 is carried out. Now step 4, what will be step 4? It is 5 0 and 6 1. So first you multiply like this, that is the 5, and 6 0 ja 0. So that becomes 5. So you can write only 5 here. Now that is the fifth step, that is the 5 and 6. What will be happen? 6 5 ja 30. So you can write here upward 6 5 ja 30. So you can write 3 0. So here is 2, this one, and 4 3 7, and here is 4, and 6 5 ja 6 and 5, that is the 11, and ye, that is the 31. So that is your answer. And that is your homework. You can do at home. Very well. You have 2 questions for your homework. मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग ये होमवर्क आसानी से कर लेंगे.